Good evening, my fellow Jamaican citizens. I am ALTON Gordon, Paradise Nation Entertainment, and I have a lot in store for you guys, so tell me what go on now. I have an interview, a little short interview with two of Jamaica top photographers and videographers. Yeah, two of the Jamaica top one them. So I have an interview with them and come up. So and we have a few behind the scenes too. Alright, so remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. You see me? Remember to follow on Instagram at Paradise Nation Entertainment, Richard Brown FIMS, JAMMIWOOD Entertainment, and official ALTON Gordon. Right? That's official ALTON Gordon. So read the description, man. Read the description, everything down in there. All information, everything. You have cash app information, everything down in there. Everything there. So read the description. And remember, if as in the company video, like, share, comment. You can see the comments and more if you see what I go on. And follow it and subscribe, because this can only get better, you know, because we have one new movie that come out now. You know, we're ready for that, so we start through that.
Hello, Bill Gates. You don't remember me? Me, you and bro God. Yeah, and Bill Gates was in the party. You say one Bill Gates. You were making arrangement to get rid of we. Yeah, you say we blackhead too strong. So you want to get most of the population. Where me at? Me, myself, and I don't know where I'm at.
Relax the mine and jump off my bicycle. Up there. Watch out. Mine make you jump, you know. Mine make you jump. Watch out. Oi, stop foolishness, no? Now, Bled. Now, Bled. Nah, bite you. Stop that now. That's sexy, though.
Thanks, yeah.
No, me no wrong, you know. Me not choose someone, you know. Now, Bled. You know what?
Hello. You have Susan?
Yeah.
This is the one. You make this too cheap. I couldn't take something else.
I think I was saying I
I think me look like this, you know.
Nobody embarrassed to you. Try, come on.
You didn't even pay a woman yet. Now they put it on my bill.
Put
Tomorrow
it
we come pay.
I don't want to put it on a bill.
No, not even. She crave.
Push down your something now.
I don't see all that. You alright, you know?
You don't want nobody to work today.
I don't really employ people from around here. There are a lot of thieves around here. I don't really like employ. Where you live?
You know that same area, so what you mean I pay people and we know about the people in that area.
Look, you see how much my block is missing?
So that means I feed people in a semi area people.
Listen, there's a little thieving boy called Thiefy. Thiefy, and I saw him on my camera. I have some little camera set up here. Thief in my block when night come.
So you compare me with thief.
I'm not comparing you, know. I'm not comparing you. But I'm just telling you that I don't have any jobs to give you. Unless you do live-in work.
Are you alone live, sir?
I live with my wife.
I don't really like that living work thing there, you know, because enough man they have their wife and when you work at then that's their wife gone then start with argument to you. I don't like that job there. I don't want to work on this side. I don't want to work in
I
house.
want to work on the side.
Yes.
There's a lot of hard work here. You know, can you
I can do hard work.
Kind of hard work you can do.
Anything you give me to do on this side, me will do it as long as I know in my house.
Take up those 2 blocks over there. Let me see what you can do.
You not give me the job yet. Are you ready to work me out?
I also have to ensure that you can manage it.
I want to know how much pay me I get if me get the job.
Listen, we pay the basic wage, which is minimum wage, which is $7,500.
Pan site?
Yeah, that's
How
a
this a thieving man you come from? Minimum wage no the pan site.
$1,500 a day then.
As somebody else say
That's
what
what I'm paying. It's my house. This is my apartment.
You a contractor or a foreman?
This is my apartment. I'm the owner of this apartment. What are you talking about?
Are you a Billy? You don't know nothing about the money. Because minimum wage no the pan site.
Yeah, alright, listen to me now. Just leave my place for me now.
Me nah move.
Rex!
A government road me the
Rex!
pan. About your Rex.
Come, puppy! Come, Rex! Come on! This woman. Leave my place. Right, let me take up my block there myself. Right.
Make your wife take them up.
At least she'll be living in this after we get married. Think me a madman. You know, come take up your clothes them. I'm for bungy ball and a drop through. I'm for bungy ball. You're mad somebody.
You know, say goat foot have worm.
Goat foot have worm? I mean goat foot have worm.
You know what I mean by goat foot have worm?
Yeah, right, though. What you tell for go look about goat? I'm like a goat man to you. You come nice and
Your favorite goat, they will have to be goat man.
how you talk to him?
No, you are the quota. Go on your business.
You know I'm left this place, because you put your cooking food there?
No.
So see how rain go fall and you take up your clothes and fire wire? Nobody no burn out make sun burn out my underpants them.
You just help and him tag man for me.
You like a girl that face, you see man. Come like a chink. You look come on.
Alton, hold on for the bike when the man is driving with the woman.
Alright guys, welcome to another day in the live
Jandy,
with Alton
nice to meet you.
Gordon. Alright, and we are here today. We have some fans. I know fans always are coming from all over the place. So there are some people here, but this one is a very special one. When you see him, so
Oh, wait, how many reaching on this?
that's how you go, man. That's how you go. That's how you go.
Oh, so, interview my interview.
Yeah, interview. So Mr. ADRIAN McDONALD is here. A lot of you guys might know him. So Mr. McDONALD, welcome to JAMMIWOOD. Welcome to Paradise Nation Entertainment, Richard Brown FIMS. So this is another day in the live. So boss, they are on studio now going normal. Come see how we do it thing, you see me? So what you have to say?
I don't have much to say, but man, I love the work you guys doing, you know. Have to just pass through and just really meet all the characters, the actors. We have Popeye, we have Candy in the back.
Yeah.
And then you new to it, you know, you're a veteran, so
Dinosaurs.
you follow lead. Yeah,
So, we there go on now, we are shoot one new movie and the bar just a pass through, so you know we always have to put it on the camera, so that's how you go. So,
yeah, man.
thank you for coming, man, and enjoy yourself.
Yeah, man.
You want something to drink, sir? You want a beer?
Ciroc.
Ciroc.
Yeah, man.
Yo! Let's just start drinking beer. Let's just start drinking this.
One alone.
No, sir!
Ciroc and the black.
No, but it's a man that will ask water, but I don't know him for ask for Ciroc.
Yeah.
But you drink Ciroc, you know?
No. You think Ciroc for you?
No, sir. Ginger beer, you know?
Alright, ginger beer. Get that ginger beer there, I'll come back. And a lemon beer.
Wait a minute. I think she.
He said he want me at ALTON to be lovey-dovey. Sure, so we there. With my cousin, that's just nasty.
Hey, we better play here.
No soup now, my crowd, yeah, but better play.
After we not do nothing intimate.
Can't bring him back.
Yo, Mr. Brown, a long time. And this man here parcel.
Yeah, man, long time. We come from far, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, from
Years.
Even the boss gone at town, we still have to link up.
Yeah, man.
What is it, 12? Come
Probably
on, 12,
about
man.
17. Yeah, man, a long time.
Come on, 12 years, man.
13, 15 years.
About 15 years.
Yeah, man. Our whole
That's a
generation.
long time. I see him, so I do an interview with Fire about 8 years ago and it's still up on YouTube.
Eh?
8 years when we did Maga.
You're different than Maga. Yeah, that's why good for you always capture things.
And
on
then
video.
when the interview was about movie too, you know. And then we look 8 years after we had the movie.
Yeah.
So that
yeah.
was kind of.
Yeah, that long time we had the movie still. So.
Yeah.
True. You don't know, man. Like, I wonder, so when you go jump in for the movie thing too, because I know so that part of your passion too.
You know, any time there.
Still I work funny.
You have to have time.
Have some other go.
You have to full of time, dog. You're full of
You
time.
know,
Yeah, man, you have to.
multiple passions.
Because I come like a one baby by itself, you know, where you can share your time with nothing else. You have to full time. Because right now, whole heap of people call me say, you know, I'm music video, but sometimes, you know, worth it time. Like, we tap with that. So I say, you know, focus on this. Or sometimes some people call me for some little things. I say, no, make no sense, but I just dedicate to one thing, you know, say, alright, this is where you focus there. Rather than you focus on 10 different things, and sometimes you don't reach nowhere.
Yeah. That's exactly why I kind of just wait off with my movie career.
I best way to deal, just deal with one thing at that time. When the time right, it will happen.
But let me tell you something. At this someone you know responsible for Lex and art, all of my passions, because him discover me when me did still a teach, and him say come go shoot some weddings. From there, so everything just unfold. So even right now with what's the film, the short film. Flight and
Flight,
HBO.
yeah.
Whenever Richie, we wouldn't have the short film on HBO. The first one, Cousin Naj, we made it go.
Yeah, remember, I know, the other day we did here watch it.
Yeah, man.
I remember it little camera we use shoot. I said, yo, far where you come from, man? Far, man.
So, whole heap of youths, Richie boss. Whole heap.
I'll meet you.
Yeah, man.
No for those people, no. No for those people.
True. Because even when I talk with youth, I edit for me, and a long time I use Photoshop on it, and when he started to see how we actually do it, I say, yo, if me never come and see how we do, I still don't wonder, say, yo, maybe we need to go on one big set to see actually how everything come together.
Yeah.
And I show him, say, yo, different people down me, and I say, yo, brother, you know what you tell me, say, everybody will come around you, something always great happen for them.
Yeah, man, that's true.
Really, just that energy. You have to just have the right type of energy and the right type of mindset. I don't know, say, yo, you're not afraid to tell nobody, say, yo, if I this, I saw if you go, I saw if you go. Because you know, a lot of people who have certain talent, they're afraid to tell people, say, yo, this is how you turn on the camera, this is how you focus. But knowledge is something I always believe, say, and that's something you have to hide and keep yourself. You have to just give other people in knowledge. At the end of the day, whatever you as a photographer, anything, you as a photographer, no matter what you tell other people, say, yo, something do it, you know. For your style, always gonna remain for your style. Nobody else can do what you do.
Yeah.
No matter how they try or how close they try to do it. for your style, that gonna be you. That gonna be your signature. And the same thing with even me, I do movie. No matter who else come along and do movie, it's always gonna be a different flavor and a different style from what me I do. Because at the end of the day, as I say, everybody have for them own little thing about them. You see me? That's how you think, come on.
Energy.
We'll show him how we just randomly just put people in a show. I'm ready now, go on. What's your name?
My name is Amelia.
My name is O'Neill. I am Cleon the Genius.
I am Akeelia. I'm none other than Traciana.
Where you guys from? Where you guys from?
We are from Clarendon.
Clarendon people. So guys, we have some Clarendon people here. Yeah, give them a shout out. This is a family shout out. So big up to the family from Clarendon. So what's the last name? What's the last name we're working with?
Bedford.
So big up the Beckford family over there in Clarendon. Alright. Big up the Beckford family. So they might get a shout. We give a Richard Brown Films. I give them a shout out. So hi guys.
Hi. It's my pleasure meeting you guys. Sending out shout out from Richard Brown's Films to all of you in Clarendon. Yeah man, big up on yourself. I know you want love, we know we love Uno too. Fi we love plus tax, so fi we love more than fi Uno. So alright, big up on yourself here. Sending love on the behalf of Richard Brown Films to all of you guys up there. Peace out. Yeah man.
Alright, so yeah. So that boy I come with the just Yo, come on. Want you do some work up on my yard for me? Zane? You see, if you had to rake up, want you to rake up your yard. So if you fall them, if you get water, or goat if you get tired, or if nothing do you goat, you sort out the goat.
That's what now.
Let's sort out goat.
Which one you want to laugh on?
Sort out good business.
Alright. Want to do some work for me up here there.
Like?
If any little thing when my girlfriend want you to do, just do it. If she want your yard to rake up, yard fall them to get water, goat for tired, you just do them little something there. You see me? But nobody get no funny ideas now, you know, because you know I'm a woman that you know, I don't run joke in a boss.
Me as a man, you know, I don't really look people property, you know. So what's not mine, it's just not mine. No.
Yo, what you at?
What's up? We are troubling. What's up?
Yo, what kind of style?
Hey!
Eh?
You want my stick and suck out your man?
Go up in there, yo.
Oh, we are talk to?
Listen now man, mosquito bite and say anything.
Warm tear, yeah. Let him go.
Me rotted, so you... Oi!
Oh, you want?
No! So...
Come here, that boy.
Come like a clock.
You relax.
You two on there? Me not understand. But yo,
My yard boy want to come treat him, so we have to there.
so why you jet me up for yo? Let me know.
Where you who you
So you
man up so like you think me want?
Why you man up here slap off your suck? Yo,
If you
bad
want-
man, me send up here for go rake up me hand. Me never send up here for go slap no mosquito off of me woman, you know.
Yes,
Me never send up here for go slap no mosquito off of me woman. Where you come up here go slap mosquito off of me woman for? Hey boy, you know easy. Yo, go up in the yard. Hey girl, don't make me have to give you what?
Listen me. Listen me.
Youth.
Mosquito bite her and I suck her out. I mean, I want she mark her your wife, so what?
So you want to suck her out love? Make my these are some fans questions or some fans ask me. So let's begin on where did I grow up? Well, I grew up in Hanover, St. James and Westmoreland. In St. James I was in Paradise Norwood. I grew up there, out by the front there. And in Hanover, I grew up in Shatwood. That's where I was born. I didn't born at no hospital. That's where I was born. In Westmoreland, Petersfield. That's where all of me started. Like literally most of my childhood growing up. That's where I lived. Right. So Westmoreland, Hanover, and St. James. That's where I grew up. What were you like as a kid? Well, I was rude, not rude like each other. Yeah, but we always there river, gone a orange walk, gone. We always there river. Yeah, growing up in Hanover, we got all of them river there. Them deep river there, you know the river? We called St. James to Hanover, that's, yeah. That deep, who know that river they know so that water is deep and it's not a nice water, so we go in that river then a lot. And in Westmoreland, you have Rolling River, you have a lot of rivers where we always go as a kid. So my childhood was fun, it was really fun. Yeah. Do I have kids? Yes, I have 3 kids. AJ, which is ALTON Jr., and Alora, my first daughter, and Mia Rain, a little wild princess. She like Mia Rain now, she ball right through. She's just miserable. I guess she got it from her mother. But Alora, my God, she rude. She rude. But I think the quietest one is AJ, but him rude too. But yeah, them good. But my rude and funeral rude are 2 different rules. But yeah, I don't beat my kids. Them not that rude for me beat them. But 3 of them are 3 different amazing kids where they make me happy. Yeah, because I've been through a lot, but yeah, them make me happy. Like I think about them. They're around them when we talk to them and then they're around me. Oh, if I say rude, like me literally can't have 3 of them around me one time, you know, like I did that once and it was good. But man, imagine 3 rude kids, one place, 3 spoiled rude kids. Imagine that. That's crazy. It's crazy. Next question is, how would someone get your special attention? Well, if you get my attention, yeah, I feel really special, isn't it? Because you don't really have them time there for waste, but if you get my attention, yeah, you really have my attention. Am I single? Ah, man. Am I single? Wow. Probably have to play the 5th with that one day. I'll play the 5th. What's the most? What's my biggest fears? Snake. Anybody know me? No, so I don't like snake. But you know, I think if one feel like attack me, maybe manage it, you see me? But me not like snake, like me not even would touch one, not even touch none of them. You see me? Yeah. What pet would you love to have? Pet. I would like a owl. You know pato? Yeah. But I like one. Have one pato. Have one pato, so like when I come on my yard in the right and my doorway, I look by you. So I come and feel weird. I don't know if that is weird, but yeah. So when I come there, I just feel weird. Do you speak any other languages? Yeah. English and Patwa. You know, it's basically the same thing, but who understand Patwa, we understand me, and who understand English, we understand me. Yeah. Other than that, no other language. Who inspired me? Well, my aunt, that lady there, Diana Campbell. Oh my god, Diana Campbell, Richard Brown, them two people, like this whole camera thing, this whole factory TV, this whole O'Brien, this whole Alton, this whole everything, all of that are them. Diana, this is my aunt, may her soul rest in peace. Yeah, love you, Diana. And Richard Brown, this is my cousin, Diana's son. So yeah, them two people there, them inspired me. But for like acting, I'm an actor now. So Denzel Washington, the man, they are real general, you know. The man, they are real general. Denzel Washington. Do I get used to being a celebrity? I don't think it's something you can just get used to. So that's a whole thing by itself, being a celebrity. Like when you're on the road, your social media, your DM, everything. That's just a lot, man. Do I have a celebrity crush? Yes, I do. Lila Ike. Lila Ike, yeah, like, oh, Lila Ike. A big anybody know Lila Ike? Tell her I said love her. Tell her I said Alton love her. Yeah, Lila Ike, yeah. She makes celebrity crush. I just love that little, you know, reggae vibes there. And she knows, you see me, who know Lila Ike know me I talk about, but yeah, big up Lila Ike. But, Which celebrities you believe are the most influential except me? Alright. Vibes Cartel, the man there. Yeah, the man there general. Big up the Gaza. Whole Gaza. Fraternity, family, everybody. And the man there. Vibes Cartel in general. And what do you spend the most? Clothes, accessories, or perfume? What me spend most on? But I say cologne, yeah. Yeah. Me love cologne. Yeah, me love to smell fresh, you know. So like when me up on the road and like a female pass by and be like, oh my god, this nigga smells so good. Yeah, cause you know man fi smell good still, man fi smell good way. You see me? Yeah, man. What do you do when you're not working? When I'm not working, I recently developed this thing where I check my YouTube and I check. When I'm not working though, I just get high. Probably drink some rum. Yeah, I love dark rum. I drink dark rum right through, but I really love them other rum. Yeah. Just get high and just relax. Find something to edit. Play some music. Yeah. I go spend time with my kids then when we get the chance, because I'm so busy. But yeah, me always try to spend time with them when we get the chance. Acting has become a thing where I have to be on the road every day. Like every day is like I'm living at the car, man. Like living at the car, like that's crazy. But yeah, but me do all of this way for all who watch. That me do all of this for all who watch. What was my roughest year? 2020. 2020 was my roughest year since I was born. Why? I lost my aunt, I lost a brother, and my house got burnt down in May last year. Actually a year now. 5 days and it's a year since I lost my house, everything. So I lost my house in May. My aunt died in June, and my brother died in December. So yeah, 2020 was a rough year. Still I try sort out, you know, free get back on that little track there. You see me? Still I try sort out that, but so sometimes problem me have a lot on my head. Yeah, I have a lot on my head, and last year is one of them. It was quite a rough year last year. So acting now becomes a thing what I love, because it kind of take my mind off of everything else. You see me? Yeah, I love it. I love to entertain the world. I love to make people laugh, so therefore if I'm doing a scene, I always want to put one little funny thing in it, like something to make them laugh, or even if it's not to laugh, I always go all out, even if it's to make it look scary as how if you look, I go all out, because you have some actors, you know, them if you act a scary role, them not really pushing that whole effort there to make it look as scary. But yeah, me really go all out to make it look how it's supposed to look. No matter what role me get, I'm just ready. I just want to know just want to know the character. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Remember to share, like, comment and subscribe, guys. Subscribe, because this can only get better, you know. This can only get better, and I'm here to create history through my channel. Just love. Probably one day I'm gonna cook for you still. Yeah.